Ayun na nga. Oh, hi.
Happy birthday!
Wow, nag-effort. Thank you. What's that?
Ito na.
Here. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
May pabulaklak si Mayor.
Si Mayor. Nagpabulaklak si Mayor.
Ganda naman. That's a nice flower.
With matching special makupuno ube.
Pang Filipino shop?
Yes.
Wow.
Special. With a collection Ferraro. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
With the candle.
With a candle.
And siopaw. Pork siopaw.
We put them in the fridge first. We
Yeah,
go out.
look. Ooh. We put some candle now.
Hang on. I want to take photo. Hang on. Take your hands off, please. Maybe now or after.
Put the candle now first.
Okay. Take it off from down.
It's still early, Vera. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Have a look. Ooh, special. Ooh.
Japa Bear Bake Shop. Filipino cake. Wow.
Before we go in restaurant, we gonna eat
We're gonna blow candle
blow
first.
candle first.
I'll put here in the middle.
Before we go in the restaurant.
Isn't it supposed you video me?
Eh?
Isn't it supposed you video me?
You. One second. I put this one first. Video me first.
Video you first. Okay, I video.
Before I prepare the birthday.
Wow, I like this one. I like this flower. I have to put more water in there.
Uy.
Hang on, I'll take photo first. Siyempre, photo muna bago ang lahat. Ko, nadul-dul na kami. Take the siopaw away. Ay, sumanggi yung ano. Dito lang, dyan lang pa, dyan na lang. Iuro mo lang.
How much is siopaw?
No, don't worry about the siopaw. I have the cake. Wait pa. Oh, sige, put it down first.
Siyempre. Uy.
Thank you sa effort, mahal. I'm being spoiled today.
Uy.
Thank you, mahal.
Uy.
Thank you. Ang dami namang candle.
Siyempre, parang biblo-blo mo.
Yan po. Nilalagyan ng Noel ang candle ang aking cake. Ba't ang dami? One is enough. That's enough. My God.
Yummy.
Yummy ba?
Yummy.
Okay.
Where's the lighter?
Yummy cake. Makapuno cake. Yan, makapuno cake from Filipino store. Yan po, nag-effort po ang daddy sa...
Pasa mo sa akin yan, bibidyo kita.
Okay, hahawakan ko yung cake. Can you take photo of me? Yan po. Thank you, mahal. Kahit dalawa lang tayo ito.
Bago matapos, tunaw na yung kandila po. Alright! Yay!
Okay, angat mo muna. Angat mo kasi hawakan ko, di ba? No, angat mo muna. Angat mo muna yung cake kasi hawakan ko. Masyado ang excited. Now hold it.
Alright. Oh, yes! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I love you, mahal. Happy birthday.
Hang on, I'll make a wish.
Make a wish first. Yay! Woohoo!
Thank you, mahal.
Yes. She blow the candle already. That's right. Hindi ko mahawakan eh. Hindi ako makapalakpak kasi kapit ko yung ano ko. Alright, put it down. You want to taste the cake first?
No, after when we come home.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you guys for watching. Lagyan natin sa repla. Lalabas lang po kami kakain. Salamat po sa panonood. Bye. Thank you, mahal. I love you.
1 hour later.
Ito po ang aking paborito.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Parang siyang may birthday, no?
Happy birthday ni Christina. Ako ang malakas kumain. Nakuha ko ito.
I'm alright.
Ito po ang aking order.
May chopstick mo.
Ito po ang nilalagay ko.
Thank you. Kain na.
Ito po ang aking in-order lagi. Stir fry combination noodles.
Ito po ang aking handa. Bahay lang kami sa labas. Kasi mga pagod na magluto. Tsaka middle of the week kasi tutuloy yun na yung birthday ko sa ano, sa weekend. Sa weekend magsanggop tayo. Okay guys.
Alright guys.
Kain po muna kami.
Ito na po ang aming combination.
Sige, sumubukan mo.
Look guys. My favorite. Oh my god. Very yummy.
I don't like the chili.
Sample lang ko pa lang po. Sample guys. Oh.
Ano hingi niya? Nahingi pala ng lemon. Hindi makakain ng pansit ng walang lemon. Kain po tayo.
Lagyan po ng lemon para pansit canton.
Okay guys, kain po muna kami. Bye. Guys, ayan. Tapos na ako. Kalahati lang nakain ko. Si Noel, hindi pa tapos. Oh.
Malapit na.
May spring roll pang tira. Meron pang chicken na tira. Yan. Take away.
Take away niya na lang.
Baon niya bukas. Yan. Take away niya yan. Baon niya. For lunch. Sarap.
Very good.
Ang bilis ko lang talagang mabusog eh. Ang bilis ko lang talagang mabusog kaya pagod lang ako, gusto ko na matulog. So tired. Pagod sa trabaho kaya anyway. Kailangan lang talagang mag-celebrate ng birthday.
Happy birthday.
Pag uwi nito mamaya, tulog na.
Pag uwi, yung cake naman. Hindi pa namin natikman yung cake. Mukhang masarap.
May tsaa, ang tubig tsaa.
Yes, calamari. Guys, busog na po ako. Grabe.
Kumain talagang kumain eh. Tanong mo. Kaya dati, magana kumain. Hindi na po. Papabalot lang namin to. Pauwi na rin kami. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.